Hello, my friends. This is your happy stamper lady, Rachel Merkin, helping the creative you shine through. Welcome to my very first Kitastic adventure video. Let's get started on something super fun. Hello, my friends. It's been a long time. I'm super excited to have you join me. We are going to dive into a brand new kit on our Kitastic adventure. Look how huge this box is. This is called Happy House Plants Kit, and I am super excited to show you how I went out of the box with this one. So, first of all, let's talk about what they normally come with. So, of course, they've got the directions on there. You'll notice these words: blueberry, strawberry, peach, and raspberry. Wonder what she's going to do with that. The other thing that it comes with is four of these mats. Now I already have some dimensionals on there. And then four different plants. I am not even going to pretend to know what they are. I'm not a horticulturalist. I don't even know anything about plants because I'm allergic to them. But we're going to do something cool with them. So each plant sort of has like a piece on it and then some extra pieces to add to it. And there are four different types of these plants on there. And then, of course, that just shows you where you punch them out. Just want you to see the punch outs. And then the frames. Now, I wanted to show you, I left one frame with the thing on there. There is like a film, like a really thin plastic piece that you pull off from both sides, okay? And of course, you get four frames, four pictures, four frames. And like I said, the plants are all different, and I like that as well. So that's super exciting. Then, just as a reminder, when you go to my happystamperlady.stampinup.net to go shopping, um, if you go to the kit collections and you look up houseplant kits, or you can look up that number, that's why I gave the number up there. When you do that, you will see that Sarah, our CEO, has done a unboxing video for you, and she will go step by step. And so that's exciting to have that for you. So I don't do that. I'm going to help you reimagine the kit. So when I saw this particular kit, I'm not a plant gal. Like I said, I'm actually allergic to everything. And so I reimagined it. I don't know if you can see, if I lean back, oh, you can. You kind of see the cow, the strawberry cow. Okay, I'm a goofball. But I reimagined because we have in the mini catalog these cutest cows. Look at their faces. My friend Nikki Smith was like, don't we need those cows? She's such an enabler. Not really. I don't need help. But yes, Nikki, we need the cows. So it's in the mini catalog, which is going on until April 2024. And that is the cows in there, and you can get it as a bundle with a punch that punches out one of these cows, the standing cows. Anyway, lots of super cute stuff in there, and you can find this catalog right on my Stampin' Up website. Easy peasy for you to find. So anywhere that you see it marked up there with an M is something from the mini catalog, which the cows are. Then we also have, of course, the annual catalog, which goes through April 2024 as well. And I am using the black Simple Right marker, which I think you should have in your bag of tricks all the time, and the blends, which I adore. I love to color, so I have, I can't say all of them, but quite a few blends, and then various gems, because I'm pretty sure everything needs to be blingy. That's just my opinion, but I believe the world is better with bling. And then I wanted to show you, because you do have a week left on celebration, and the paper that I am using from the thing today, our project, is called Most Adored, and it is free with the $50 purchase. So if you get the kit, which is $25, and then you add in your little cows and a few things, voila, you get free. Hello. And the last thing we're doing is using fruit from Simply Sparkling, and this is our online exclusive. So try to use something from everything, every avenue where we sell products. Some are just online for people. Some people like the catalogs, mini catalog celebration. I love it all, and we're going to have fun with that. So the first thing that I did is I took that frame It is 6 by 6 exactly, so that worked out. So if you have 6 by 6 paper, or we sell our DSP is 12 by 12, cut it in a fourth, and it's 6 by 6. Okay, that literally fits right on there. I glued it onto the frame, took an X-Acto knife, and cut out the middle. Easy peasy. And when I did that, then I took a few strips because I kind of liked having just a little extra bling. Big shocker there that I like having extra bling. Yeah. But I thought that that kind of framed it back in, brought it back down. So these are obviously 6 inches long, and I think this is like 3/4 of an inch. And then a few little gems because, like I said, everything needs gems. Okay, so we have that. Then we have this piece of paper that already has this plant on it. Like I said, I don't even know what the plant is. But I looked up some pictures of strawberry plants, peach plants, raspberries, blueberries, that kind of thing, to get a feel for what that might actually look like. Now, I want to say once again, please do not be disgruntled with me. I don't know anything about plants, and this is Rachel's make believe world that you have now entered. So, I hope you enter with glee and not like, "Whoa, girl, that's not that plant doesn't grow like that." It does in my world. It does in my world. Okay, so the first thing that I did is, if you will notice, it came with a pot. I colored the pot to look like a strawberry basket. That's the beauty of reimagining these kits. And then the leaves, if you notice, I took some of our blender pens and I outlined the leaves, and then I did the veins in the darker, and then something that a friend of mine, Trisha Smith, I just met her online. She's in Scotland. Hello, Trisha. She's super, super sweet. She told me that she uses this white gel pen and gives everything a little bit of a highlight. It's really up to my color game. So I thought that was really fun to reimagine my color game. Yeah, I was like super excited. Okay, so this is supposed to be a hanging basket. So you see how it will kind of go up there around the thing, but you see that it's a little bit curved. I used the bone folder and I put 2 dimensionals in the back, and then I did the bone folder. So again, it has a little bit of a dimension to it because I put dimensionals on the back of my frame. So when we put the frame together, which I'll show you another one because I did do one of them already. When I put the frame together, it kind of feels like a shadow box, and I liked the idea of that. All right, so we're gonna go up here, and I am looking at the directions on here because it shows you where to put your stuff and where to put the next set of plants, the next set of leaves. Again, nothing has to be exact, obviously, but it kind of gives you an idea. Now, I did want to show you, you don't have to watch me color 1,000 times, but just so that you see the difference, this is what the leaf looked like to begin with. And then all I did literally was very quickly go around. No, like, oh, this has to be exact or anything like that. Just going to go around because I wanted to give it a little more depth. That's really it. I just was doing it for my own personal. I wanted a little bit of depth. But remember, when you're doing something like this, it's really your preference. This is all about something that's going to appeal to you. You're not doing it for anybody else but you. Or if you're giving it as a gift, which these would make fantastic gifts as well, you think of the person that you're giving it to, and that's really, really your purpose. That's really what you're doing it for. And I will tell you that for me, in doing these kits, they have really been a lifesaver to me in helping me get kind of my mojo back of even being able to decorate, to be able to do anything because I have just been so sick. So this is an outlet for me, and I'm slow. I'll just tell you that I am. I color everything one day and then I come back and do something different another day. And yeah, I'm like slow mo Joe. Okay, I'm going to move this a little bit because I feel like it should be, again, there's no right or wrong. It's just like, oh, where would I want that to sit? Because you want it to feel like, there you go. There, ooh, look at that. You want to feel like it's, like a hanging plant. Like I know what I'm talking about. A hanging plant. Whatever. My dad, on the other hand, is the mega green thumb. Like he can grow anything. And he does. He's quite amazing, actually. So I already did, like I said, color and put pieces together because you just don't need to watch me do 1,000 of those things. And I noticed I have put dimensionals on, but I feel like I want some plants inside the plant. So I'm going to get out my handy dandy glue. I love the Tombow glue. Not everybody does love the Tombow glue. I love it because I think it sticks really well. Our Ohio weather is so up and down that I like having the versatility of that glue, and I think it really stays nicer than some of the other glue. All right, well, we definitely need another pink strawberry peeking out, and maybe one down here. Look how cute that's looking. It does look like a little strawberry bushel, doesn't it? Ah, do you love it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more. I find that you do better if you do it in odd numbers. Trying to decide where I would want that. Maybe underneath. Got all my strawberries over here on this side. That's what I'm doing. I'm pulling from all of my strawberries. Oh, that's really cute. Like that. Okay. So once you do the strawberries, okay, and the strawberries again, they came from here. So one day I sat down and I did peaches and strawberries, and then these cherries easily become blueberries. And I like stamped a whole bunch of them, cut them out, colored them, but I just do it in stages. That's just what's working for my life right now. And that's the same thing that I did with the cows. And so here is my strawberry cow, which makes me super happy, obviously. Okay, we're almost done already. Isn't that crazy? I told you this was going to be just fun and easy. So then I'm going to take the dimensionals off of here. What I'm trying to do for my life, I will share with you. The chronic illness is bad. It is. I'm not going to lie. And I have a lot of bad days. But I find things to praise God for, even in the bad days. But that the pain is real and the struggle is real. And so trying to find ways to praise and I don't want to be a complainer. I don't want to sit around and boo-hoo me. Um, so I'm just trying to find ways to work with my body. And what I am finding for me that works with my body the best is if I just do everything in stages. Oh, oh my gosh. Do you love him? So this is reimagined, obviously. Okay. This is me, but it's because I love strawberry shortcake, the original cartoon. I don't know if you guys know that. Um, I was born in 1970, so the original Strawberry Shortcake cartoon is my favorite. And this feels like it's going to go with my Strawberry Shortcake kitchen. And here's one completely done in the frame with the peach cow and the peaches and the peach bush. Do you love it? And then I will do pictures on Facebook for you so that you can see. And I'd love for you to friend me on Facebook and you can ask me questions there too. I'm super, super excited. So, Kitastic, just a reminder, this is the house plant kit. Okay. And the celebration ends on the 29th of February. So, you're going to want to jump on that. I don't know if you have any questions, just get a hold of me. Sorry, I'm going to start coughing. So, I'm going to bid you adieu. Go and make the world a better place, my friends. Till I see you again.